Or my brain is just fried, who knows. So all right, let's see here. Structural members in a group or miter trims to other structural members. Interesting. Yeah, I would think that those bodies should be showing up in a cut list item or in some sort of, in one of your profiles would be my guess. I'm not 100% sure to answer your question, Alan. I think maybe that's something that we could look into for you to see, what's going on there. But I think, yeah, without seeing it, it's going to be hard to explain. Any other questions, or is there anything that I've missed? Anybody else want me to elaborate on a little bit more? Well, I'll tell you what, for the next probably about 5 minutes, I'll hang on to the line. If anybody does have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, please feel free to type them in. Otherwise, hopefully this was educational for you guys. If you do, again, have any other questions at a later time, we'd be happy to answer those for you. But again, thank you for your time. So if you don't have any other questions or anything like that, have a nice day. All right, Alan, you can actually do that separately if you want to. You have the ability in the actual model itself. You should have the ability over to actually add a new cut list item. And you may have to turn off automatic to do it. But the one thing you have to be careful of with turning off automatic is it's going to make you redo your code later. So if we right-click on there, let's see here. We should, again, have the ability add an item to a cut list. Maybe we have to do it as a separate body, or if you right-click on a body there. I mean, we can create a weldment or a sub-weldment for it, basically. But yeah, I believe you have to turn off automatic to do that, but you can add it to the cut list manually. And again, that would just be done by right-clicking on the item and creating a folder for it, or creating a sub-weldment for it that defines that it's inside that cut list.